Hello Year 2 agents, and welcome back to your learning missions for this half term. You might notice I'm not in my usual school clothes, my usual HQ clothes, because it's actually half term when I'm filming these videos. But we're pretending it's the 1st of June. The reason I'm filming these a little bit early is because I wanted to teach you from where you're used to seeing Miss Beaver or myself teach in the Year 2 classroom. From the 1st of June, it's being borrowed by a group of Year 1s when they're doing their learning, and I won't be able to get in here then. So I thought I would take the opportunity at half term while it's just me in the school and film a couple of videos for your learning. Now, the first one is a literacy mission, and it's all to do with a story called The Queen's Hat. An absolutely fantastic story. And when I've read it to you in just a minute, this amazing picture book, I want you to then answer some comprehension and inference questions in a quiz that I'm setting for you. Before we move on with me reading you the story, I thought I would just remind you about the words comprehension and inference. So comprehension questions, when we've read a text, or in this case listened to a story, our comprehension questions ask us to look at the text and to be able to answer some literal questions about what we have heard. So what happened, how did it happen, when did it happen, and we can usually find the direct answers in the text itself. Our inference questions are a little bit different. These require us to infer, to try and more deeply understand, to try and work out for some clues the author's left for us. So we might not always find the exact answer in the text, it's about our understanding of what happened and how the characters might feel. You're going to answer both of these types of questions in your literacy mission today. I hope you get on really well with it, and good luck!
So this is The Queen's Hat by Steve Anthony. The Queen was on her way to visit someone very special when the wind went swish. The wind took the Queen's favourite hat right off her head. It soared high above the Queen. It whooshed high above the Queen's men. The wind was so strong that it swept the Queen's hat all the way to Trafalgar Square, and all through London Zoo, and all along the London Underground, and all around the London Eye, and all across Tower Bridge, and all over Big Ben, where it sailed up further into the sky, swoosh, until at last the Queen and all the Queen's men floated gently down to Kensington Palace, along with the Queen's hat. Nice quick story for you today. I hope you listened really carefully. If you need to, you can listen again.
Now that you've heard the story, it's time to complete your comprehension and inference quiz. If you go back to your mission sheet, you'll find a link there full of questions all about the text that I've just read to you. Good luck, agents.